So this is my belief that eons and eons and eons ago, dog soul and human soul came together and said, we have work to do. And I believe that the dog soul said, we're going to help you find your true nature by mirroring to you, hiya girly, what it feels like and looks like. And what this looks like is authenticity, pure authenticity, to be exactly who you are. Right, Boomer? What it also looks like is being completely present in the moment. No need to dwell on the past or think about the future. Be here now. What it also looks like is complete unconditional love. Complete, abiding, unconditional love. No need to fear closeness, no need to fear intimacy. Right, Bean? Beanie Bean! Just be love. What our true nature also is enjoying the most in each precious moment. Making the most of each present moment. So our souls are being helped in the deepest sense to find our true nature and who is our teachers, but these amazing beings that teach us love, devotion, authenticity, kindness just for the sake of kindness, and friendship. This is our true nature. Thank you, blessed beings. Thank you, blessed, blessed, blessed beings.